guys, so I have a quick project share. This is for a swap that is being hosted by Alyssa, who's crafting a cope, and I will be sure to link her in the description bar. But this was just a really easy and quick pocket letter swap, and I actually had been really wanting to make a pocket letter. So I've actually been making pocket letters. So when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect. Now I have somewhere to send it. So I just kind of put some goodies in the background and then just like put it together. There were barely any requirements. Actually, the requirements written down right here. Okay, so we had to do a full-size pocket letter with goodies, a sweet treat, a handmade card, and then crafter's choice. So it was so easy, so super simple. So as soon as I made the pocket letter, I was like, okay, all I have to do is like make a card really quick. And yeah, so it should be super duper easy. So let me show you what I made. Okay, so this is what I made. So I made this pocket letter and I used a collection that I had a very little amount of. So I really just had the 12 by 12 paper pad, and the name of this collection is called Lucky Us, and it's an old pink paisley collection, and I found the 12 by 12 of it in my stash because I was actually recording a what's in my Valentine's Day stash, and I was looking at the paper and I had a 12 by 12. So then I went on the hunt and I found a few 6 by 8s and I found some ephemera packs. So that's all I really had was the 6 by 8, the 12 by 12, which I didn't use, and then just the ephemera packs. So I had a lot of fun with it. It is such a cute collection. Let me show you like all the ephemera that comes on the back of it. And then this is the paper. It's really, really super cute. It's kind of a mixture between, because it's called Lucky Us, so it's kind of a mixture between like, not saying St. Patrick's Day, but like the 4-leaf clovers and Valentine's Day. It is so, 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 so cute. Like some of these ephemera pieces are literally to die for. Like this bingo card, which was just so cute and so timely. So, and I actually kind of ran with that a little bit. So this is the pocket letter. I did stitch this, this trim here, and then I stitched, this is actually from Dollar Tree, I believe, this year, and this is from last year Dollar Tree, but I think they're selling it again this year because I bought a few more. And then these I actually got from Larissa at October Avenue's Craft. She got these at Dollar General, I think, and she sent them to me, and I used some of them for this, and then I used the collection. I use like all of the sheets of paper are the collection, and I just realized that these two are the same and they're next to each other. Oh, that's right. All 3 of these are the same. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I was like, what in the world? Yeah. So I think what I decided to do was I made all 3 of these the same and all of these the same. I just got like lost for a second. I made this a while ago. And then when I saw the swap, I was like, well, I could just put this together really quick and send it out. So anyway, this one has this little horseshoe, which was in the collection. These are my little flowers that I love. A sequin flower. This is also in the collection. This is a cup, I think it's supposed to be for a cupcake topper for treats that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then these are my favorite hearts this year that came out at Michael's. These are all ephemera from the collection, some more hearts. This is from the collection. These are from Hobby Lobby this year. I love these so much. I bought a bunch of packs of those. This is actually a maze that I got at Dollar Tree, and they look like this. I think I have them here. Yeah. They look like this, and I did this last year too, but they're these little mazes, and what I did was I basically took it apart and I took the back off of it, and then I actually found that the paper that came with it, which you're supposed to put this together, actually matched the collection really well. So I actually I cut the heart in the shape of this and then put the backing back on, and then I just made a little bow and put this here, and then some chipboard from I think this is actually from Benevolent Sketchbook. I've been having a lot of fun with those chipboard pieces. They're super cheap on Office Supply. And then another little heart here and here. And then this is a vellum rosette that actually Lacey made me. Lacey makes the best vellum rosettes. And just more of those hearts that I'm obsessed with. I thought that this was the reason I did this is because in the collection it has You're Amazing and the Lucky Us. So I just thought how cute would that be to put it all together. It was just too perfect. And then these are little tickets and just ephemera from the collection. So then we were supposed to fill it with goodies. I'm not going to take the goodies out, but I'll just show you in the back. I did make a little rosette to match. I made these little velour felt kind of ribbon bows that from a tutorial that Poochie did, and then I just put these little cherry cabochons on it. I put some of these clay bits in here, some wood pieces. This is a shaker, which I don't think you could see as much on the front. Some little envelope embellishments. These are the little bows from Hobby Lobby. I put a different one on the front, some little flowers. And then these are actually cards that I picked up at Target that are actually extremely cute. Let me see if I can actually take these out because these are so cute. So they look like this in the pack, but they're all different types of cherries and bows and Valentine's Day things. So I put a few of each type in there. And then I also just stuck a little lollipop. These lollipops are actually really good. They came out of, I bought a Candyland box from Dollar Tree to make a junk journal with it. And then I took all the lollipops out, and they actually are so good. They actually remind me of, if you had any of the Peeps candy that they came out with last year for Easter, they kind of taste like that. So anyway, then I would just put a little lollipop. That's not my sweet treat, but it is a sweet treat. For my sweet treat, I just did these Sour Patch Kids because I thought that they were cute and you could like reuse the box. And then kind of going along with like the game, you know, how this is game, bingo, mazes, whatever. I made this little card. So I got these from a set. They were just tic-tac-toe and they came with stickers and you're supposed to give them out as Valentine's. I got it at Home Goods and I turned it into a shaker. I actually turned all 24 of them into shakers. And then I put it on a card, like a card backing, so that they can use it as a card. And then it came with envelopes in this color and also in this kind of blue color. And then I just put one of the X's and O's. It's really cute because it comes with like a sheet, like 24 sheets of the X's and O's and then 24 of these. So you could actually play tic-tac-toe, but I just used them to decorate. And I thought these were so, so cute to use as decorating. Like they're just adorable. Oh, and I just realized that I was holding the paper upside down, which means I probably put these on upside down. I did, so I'll have to fix those, go there and fix those. But anyway, yeah, so then I put a little XO on here, and then my Crafter's Choice item, it could have been store-bought, so I kind of did a combination of two. I made one of these little bingo card shakers to go again along with the theme, and then I used the markers that came with it and I stitched them together to make a border, and then I made it into a shaker, and then I just put one of these packs of stickers from Michaels. So it's kind of like this is the Crafter's Choice, but also this is the Crafter's Choice, and I just kind of stuck that in there because it could fit pretty well. And then I just put one of these little bows just for decoration. So that was it. It was very easy. And then I made, like I gave, this is just the swap. And then I just did a few things for Alyssa, because how they did it was if your name was, I think, from A to M, you sent it to Alyssa. And then if it was like N to Z, you sent it to, so she's doing it together with Coop's Place, who also, I'll actually link her too. But so they kind of split it up by first name. So for her, I got one of these little tumblers and I put this DTF on here. And this is a 40-ounce tumbler from Dollar Tree, and then I just added these DTF stickers onto it. I also got her a pair of socks, and then I also made her this. So this is just like a little decor piece. So these are little locker holders. I actually put a little note, and actually this ephemera came with the Lucky Us collection that says a little love note, just telling her that she can slide a 2x3 photo in the top of the frame, because I left the top of this frame open so she could just slide like a wallet size picture. And I made her this is also from the collection, so this little Lucky Charm pattern in the background, and then I made her a little rosette and put it up here with ephemera and my stickers and the little bows. So I made this as her little like hostess gift. So I'm gonna send this off, and it was such an easy swap. I'm like, I'm very much limiting swaps this year, but if I do them, they're probably going to be just ones that are super easy. I'm going to try to do a lot more challenges and Happy Mail and tutorials and stuff like that for you guys. So anyway, that's it. So hopefully whoever gets my swap loves it. I know there's a lot of people on there that don't have YouTube channels, as I've been watching the reveals. And I just think that is so cool. I always love it when, you know, people do swaps and it's like their first swap. There's a lot of people that it's their first one. So hopefully whoever gets it, I may not hear from them, but hopefully they love it, whoever they are. And hopefully you guys like it too. So let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye.